Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of nature, where reality is stranger than fiction. Today, we're diving into the world's most strangest plants. These botanical marvels defy logic, challenge biology, and will leave you absolutely amazed. Ready to uncover the secrets of nature's weirdest creations? Let's dive in. Meet the hammer orchid, one of nature's most fascinating and clever flowers. This extraordinary orchid, found in Australia, mimics the shape and scent of a female wasp to attract male wasps. When the wasp attempts to mate, the flower's hammer swings down, ensuring pollination before the wasp flies away. Talk about a genius survival strategy. The hammer orchid is a true masterpiece of evolution. Meet the bear's head tooth mushroom, a fungi that looks like it's straight out of a fantasy world. Known for its unique appearance, this mushroom grows on dead or decaying wood, forming these stunning icicle-like structures. And it's not just for show. The bear's head tooth mushroom is a gourmet treat with a meaty texture and a mild, nutty flavor. Perfect for soups, stir-fries, or even as a meat substitute. Nature's art and a chef's delight. Have you ever tried the bear's head tooth mushroom? Meet the Venus flytrap, nature's most iconic carnivorous plant. This incredible plant can sense movement. When an unsuspecting insect touches its sensitive hairs twice, snap, it's game over. The Venus flytrap then releases digestive enzymes to break down its meal, absorbing vital nutrients to thrive in nutrient-poor soil. Found in the wetlands of North and South Carolina, this plant is both fascinating and functional. Meet Hydnellum pecki, also known as the bleeding tooth fungus. This strange yet fascinating mushroom is native to North America and Europe. It gets its name from the eerie, blood-red droplets that seep out from its spiny surface. Though it may look like something straight out of a horror movie, it's not toxic, but it is definitely not edible. Hydnellum pecki thrives in damp, shaded forests, playing an important role in breaking down organic matter. A true example of nature's creepy beauty. Meet the baseball plant, or Euphorbia obesa, a unique and eye-catching succulent native to South Africa. Its spherical shape, resembling a baseball, makes it a favorite among plant lovers. This plant is a slow grower and can live for decades, but it's very picky about its care. It loves sunlight and needs well-drained soil to thrive. Overwatering can be fatal. Despite its tough appearance, it's surprisingly delicate and requires a little TLC to flourish. The baseball plant, a quirky addition to any collection. Introducing the Victoria amazonica, the largest water lily in the world. Native to the Amazon River, these massive leaves can reach up to 10 feet across. The flowers are equally impressive, blooming in stunning white or pink before changing color to deep red. The leaves are so strong, they can even support the weight of a small child. Victoria amazonica is a true marvel of nature, thriving in warm, slow-moving waters, a giant of the aquatic world. Meet the dragon arum, also known as Dracunculus vulgaris, a plant that looks like something straight out of a fantasy novel. Its striking appearance features a dark, hood-like spathe and a long, snake-like spadix, earning it the name dragon. But this plant isn't just for show. It releases a foul odor, similar to rotting meat, to attract pollinators like flies. Meet lithops, also known as living stones, one of nature's best camouflage artists. These small succulents look exactly like pebbles or stones, helping them blend into their desert surroundings.
Look at the environment.
Native to southern Africa,
Challenge.
lithops are masters of survival. storing water in their leaves to thrive in arid conditions. And when they bloom, they surprise you with vibrant, colorful flowers. Lithops are perfect for rock gardens or as quirky houseplants, adding a touch of nature's creativity. A living stone that's more than meets the eye. Meet the pitcher plant, nature's very own carnivore. These fascinating plants lure insects into their tubular leaves, which are filled with a slippery liquid. Once inside, the insects can't escape and are eventually trapped in the liquid, where they're digested for nutrients. Native to wetlands and boggy areas, pitcher plants come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own trick to catch prey. Incredible, right? They've adapted to nutrient-poor soils by becoming nature's insect-eating experts, a true marvel of nature's ingenuity. Meet the Cape sundew, a remarkable carnivorous plant from South Africa. With its dew-covered leaves, this plant attracts and traps insects, using its sticky secretion to hold them in place. Once an insect is caught, the Cape sundew's tentacles curl inward to begin digestion, absorbing valuable nutrients. Found in nutrient-poor soils, the Cape sundew is a master of survival, using its carnivorous skills to thrive. The Cape sundew, a tiny yet powerful predator with a dazzling display of nature's ingenuity, a true masterpiece of the plant world. Meet the black bat flower, one of the most mysterious and dramatic plants you'll ever see. With its dark, almost black petals and long whisker-like filaments, this flower truly looks like a bat in flight. Native to Southeast Asia, the black bat flower thrives in tropical climates, blooming in the shade of dense forests. Though it's a bit unusual, the black bat flower attracts pollinators with its mysterious appearance and unique scent.